So I've been using this for about maybe 2.5 months since we ordered it. This is the brand new one that I'm going to change it with right now. So this one that I'm holding right now is brand new. And look at the old one. The one that I just pulled out. So you can see how much it's filtered it. Like you can see the chunkage. Look at that. Maybe mine is just... See that? See what my filter has caught? And it's like bits. So I feel like it's really doing its job. I mean, everywhere. You could see, for me, how it's picked up everything. It's working great. And like I say, so this is the old one. Now this is the old one I'm holding. See how it's kind of grayish? Look at that brand new white one. It's like, it looks great. So, you know it's doing its job if it looked like this is the before. Right? Look at that. Look how nice. And then look at this. I feel it's great. So I am very impressed. Just look at all that dirt. Look at this pristine. So this one is going into the bin. Brand new one's going in.